Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to my space, welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, this is Sister J. I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for all your support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so and be a part of the family. Put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. Today I'm going to be making strawberry upside down fruit cake with no eggs, no butter. Come along with me, let me show you how I do my strawberry upside down fruit cake with no eggs, no butter. Here's a rundown of my ingredients for my upside down cake. Here I have frozen strawberries. I'm gonna have this blend up, okay? I have flaxseed soaking in waters. This quarter cup of flaxseed. I'm using the flaxseed as a binding agent also flaxseed have great nutrition value anyway. And this is applesauce. I'm gonna use 30 ounces of applesauce. Applesauce is another binding agent. You can use any fruits that's rich in pectin as a binding agent for your cake if you are substituting butter and eggs. Okay, so I'm substituting butter and eggs, so this is what I'm using for it. And this is my fresh fruits. Here we have strawberries, raspberries, peach, and apples, okay? This is for the upside down. Here I have 2 pounds of flour, because I'm gonna do 2 small cakes. So I have 2 pounds of flour. Normally, for the 2 pounds of flour, I should have 1 pound of sugar, but I'm not using 1 pound of sugar. I'm using less sugar because they're gonna be sweets in the upside down, okay? So I'm using less sugar, okay? But the correct measurement should be 1 pound of sugar, 1 pound of sugar for 2 pounds of flour. All right, so here I have vanilla essence, cinnamon powder, nutmegs, and pumpkin spice. So pumpkin spice, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg. And here is the baking powder. This is 2 tablespoons of baking powder, equal to 6 teaspoons. So now I'm gonna put the flaxseed to blend. After which I'll add the frozen strawberry to it. Now I'm going to have the frozen strawberries. They melted a bit. You can use fresh strawberry for this one, but I'm using the fresh strawberries and the fresh fruits for the upside down. So this one is going to go in the batter. The main reason why I use frozen strawberries is because it have the liquid in it, and I didn't want to add any more liquid to this, so that's why I use the frozen strawberries. And you see, I blend the flaxseed first, and this blender is very good, so you don't have to use a lot of liquid for it to break things down. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pour the strawberry and the flaxseed in the mixer. So this is the strawberries and the flaxseed. So now I'm gonna pour the applesauce in. And for the vanilla, you can use a tablespoon. I'm just pouring it. So I'm just gonna put it on the mixer. Guys, if you don't have a mixer, it's okay. You can do unmixing. Okay? So here's the flour. I already have the flour sieved. So this is the baking powder. I didn't sieve the baking powder yet, so I'm gonna put the baking powder here. And I'm gonna put some pumpkin spice. This is like a teaspoon. Ground nutmeg, a teaspoon. And ground cinnamon, a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna sieve this in. Guys, my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And now I'm gonna put the sugar in. And I'm just gonna combine everything. Okay guys, now I have all the dry ingredients combined. I'm just gonna add bit by bit in the mixer. Just put it on low speed. put the remaining of it. I'm just gonna make sure everything is mixed in. So I'm starting touching the bottom to make sure everything is mixed out. Incorporate this together. All right, guys, look at this. This looks so pretty and oh, strawberry color. Okay guys, now I'm going to prepare the pans for the cake. Normally we use butter and then the sugar, but I'm not using butter. I'm going to use the spray, cooking spray, to spray it, okay? And then I'm going to sprinkle some sugar and lay the fruits. Sugar. Now I'm going to lay the fruits. Okay guys, it's time to pour the butter on top of the fruits. There you have it guys. I have some extra butter here, so I'm gonna pour this in a cupcake can. And okay, it's 45 minutes, so I'm about to take the cake out the oven. Okay guys, the cake is right here. So we're gonna see, we're gonna turn it upside down, okay? Okay guys, here is my finished product. My strawberry fruit upside down cake. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.